Okay guys, look at this. So basically kereta saya dah terbalik. Dia pusingkan sikit. And sekarang tengah buat inspection and tengah check kat bawah kereta apa yang nak kena well and repair. So according to the condition, it's not that bad, tapi still kita akan patch up and repair macam ni kan. Kita akan repair balik semua. Macam mana bang? Suka bang macam ni bang? Oh tengok dia boleh masuk di kereta. Gembira betul. So sekarang ni dia punya access lagi senang lah nak buat daripada dulu. And dia nak repair pun senang. So ramai-ramai bekerja terus sekali at one time. And part of that, belakang ni kita pun akan tutup lubang mana nak tak pakai nanti. Hello.
But you say have to check tadi.
Oh.
Kita tunggu dah lihat ya hasilnya.
Alright.
Black bar ada spek dah.
Ada minimum weight dia kan.
Bukannya semua boleh suka-suka orang ingat sampai mana.
Puas hati dapat tengok dalam wheel arch ni.
Kau langgar sini.
Taklah teruk panik sebenarnya kereta ni. Okay lah, still boleh dipertimbangkan. Okay guys, so today basically saya akan bersihkan chassis dia. And from there kita akan water jet sekali lagi, bersihkan semua kotor-kotor dia sekali lah. And kita akan start dengan pakai angin dulu. So saya akan tembak all the way out lah kotor-kotor dia. It's gonna be a long journey. And lepas saya tembak angin, and then saya akan start dengan tembak air, bersih-bersihkan semua yang kotor-kotor. And lepas tu kita akan start buat welding. At the same time kita akan buat rust treatment terus lah untuk kereta ni. Alright, stand by.
Perfect. Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I've been feeling great. I've been feeling how I should, how I really should. Been growing up way too fast, like where is my childhood? Lyrics legendary, like I am Robin Hood.
Okay, the reason saya tembak angin dulu sebelum saya tembak air is to remove all the debu-debu. Kalau saya tembak air terus, takut sumbat apa semua. So the best, saya buang debu dulu yang mana kasar-kasar. Lepas tu baru saya tembak air. So macam itu, I would say banyak lagi akan hilang lah. And tak ada sumbat ke apa ke. So it's better to do that way lah.
I was flowing good like I am some driftwood. Doing things I said I can when others said I could. Showing up the class studying, I try to make good. I am from the west but I'm not talking Clint Eastwood, yeah. I was thinking about these times, 2 AM in my room, creating music with some rhymes. I was feeling divine, third place took a lot to reach the finish line. But now I'm here, love your Shakespeare. Try to talk one-on-one, but motherfuckers always in their feet. That's a watching down, looking at the fucking atmosphere. Gucci, baby prophetess. He's white and he's speaking fastest.
Alright, so basically saya nak sambung dekat bahagian bawah pula untuk bersihkan. Kita tengok keadaan dia. Sana karat and everything. And saya akan start buat slowly lah bawah ni. Clearkan semua yang mana kakak ni boleh buang, saya buang dulu. Tembak angin dulu. And then kita proceed to the next stage. Alright, now we have Mr. Ivan in the house to promote his product. What's the name of the product again?
Worth.
Okay, fantastic.
So normally I supply to workshops, center workshop, tire shops, 3F4S center like second carriage, FF wagon, Hapsing, getting using our chemicals. This is our new product. This is a similar of the range like WD-40.
It's
another one is a SS2000.
This is?
It's a grease type. It's a silicone grease.
Grease.
So this one
Silicone grease.
is probably can help your side if you do the bonnet got sound, chair got sound. You can actually use this item to do the
HHS 2000 ya.
When you spray, the more you crash it, you will like a sticky type. So in the water base, it won't run away. Yeah, both the bonnet, even the bonnet sound, chair, the side door, anything that you feel that got sound, you actually can apply this one.
Macam grease.
And this is?
This is rust of blue ice.
So what's this?
This
Is it
one,
dry
let's
ice?
say you think that cannot be open,
Okay.
so tight, like the oxygen sensor is too tight, it's hot, heat. You spray this item that actually they will freeze until negative 540 degrees. So our chemical thing is
Guys, check this out. This is the brake cleaner. And this is the sealant remover. Nice. Besides, what's this? Contact spray. Is it like contact cleaner?
contact cleaner.
Nice. And what's that? There's a lot. CU800. What is this for?
CU is a
Lubricant.
It's not lubricant. It's a copper.
Copper spray.
Copper spray.
Nice.
So copper can last very heating,
engine
especially
flush
apply for calipers, the brake type. Brake pad to give it
This
last heat. So the heat will
Purpose is suntikan Preto injection
high performance
classic.
spray. The cooper.
This is
Cooper is very tahan panas.
antique.
Dia boleh tahan sampai 1200 kali ni.
And the last one.
So
This is the
before only for track use.
ready to coolant. Nice. So yeah, we have Mr. Ivan untuk ambil gambar, untuk buat some research which product is the best for mereka untuk undercoating, because dia ada beberapa jenis undercoating untuk from Woolworth, so dia akan pilih the best one lah. Okay, Mr. Ivan gonna demonstrate us for the cleaner.
Anything that is oil sludge. No.
Sludge there's no sludge already. Okay, I think this is mana yeah, I think this is fine. This one okay. This is good. This one. Oh, nice.
So the dirt will.
We go off easily, yeah?
So normally they put the drum below. They do the overhaul engine, gearbox. Then you use this on the glue cleaning, right? So it will dry. So you can feel that.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's clean now. Oh yeah, and it's dry. Oh, that's great. Nice. So this is the anything?
Anything to metal, body parts, engine, everything can do apply.
Okay.
It won't
Affect the material.
material.
Okay. This one is oily, like this, right?
No more.
That's alright.
Habis sudah.
I wipe it up, right? Oh, okay. Looks like magic.
No, tak ada habis sudah.
Okay. It's amazing. Check this out, guys. Ta-da! Free item from Mr. Ivan. See you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.